What we buy as white flour is just one part of the grain's larger architecture. The bran, the protective coat, brings fiber, minerals, and flavor. The germ, the embryo, holds oils, vitamins, and enzymes. The endosperm, the white interior, is mostly starch, with storage protein that becomes gluten. Gluten is simple and remarkable. Add water to flour and the endosperm's proteins hydrate and link. With a little work, they form long, stretchy strands. These strands become the scaffold. Air collects inside the gluten network as tiny bubbles that expand during baking. This is a stone mill. It grinds whole grains into flour. It starts with a gentle first crack, just opening the stones enough to fracture the berries without heating the flour. The stones grind and blend the components gently. The separation is less clinical than roller milling. You get a flour with more of the grain's nutritional breadth and a deeper flavor, even after sifting. Then comes the second, finer pass to release the endosperm. The slow feed makes a more even extraction. It's not a fast process, but the reward comes later, when the scent of toasted grains fill the room. Sifting opens up possibilities. You can tailor the flour to specific use cases. The screens catch the largest bran, while the silky flour passes through. The finer mesh, the silkier the flour, and leave the larger bran and middlings behind. This strange machine is an electric sifter. The vibration assists in getting a steady separation of the bran. But the bran, left untreated, it cuts the gluten network and prevents a light, open crumb. Box it up, bran in one container, flour in another, clearly labeled, ready to blend. Bran is abrasive and it sucks up a lot of water, so I pre-hydrate it. Then I mix the dough, sourdough starter, bran soaker, water and salt. Well, that didn't go as expected. The bread stuck to the pans. I guess they're no longer non-stick. We need to mill even finer. Maybe run it through the mill 3 times. This time I sifted twice. Once at 30 mesh, once at 50. Then re-mill the bran to reduce its cutting power. Another round. Sifted flour, sourdough, bran stoker, salt. Mix it up. Check for gluten strength. This time I freeformed the loaves with scoring. Looks promising. Sheesh, another fail. The lack of strength makes the dough lose its shape. One last try for now. It's late, I'm tired, frustrated. I bring out the spiral mixer and let it run for 20 minutes. Yes, now the oven spring is there, the texture is there, the smell is amazing. It's not perfect, but it's progress. an attempt to move away from the pursuit of efficiency. High yield, soil tillage, fast rise, shelf additives. Back towards something slower, fuller, and more alive. The grain is from Opaker Farm. Regenerative, organic, passionate, fairly small batches. I'll be back with more grains, more flatbreads, the good, the bad, and everything in between.